Welcome to Project and Quizzes. Today we have a fun and educational quiz for you. We'll be showing you pictures of 20 common dog breeds and your task is to guess the breed. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's get started. Can you guess this breed? What breed is this? What's your guess? Can you guess this breed? Name this breed. Can you guess this breed? Any guesses on this breed? What breed is this? Can you guess this breed? Name this breed. Can you guess this breed? Any guesses on this breed? Can you guess this breed? Name this breed. Can you guess this breed? What breed is this? Can you guess this breed? Can you guess this breed? What breed is this? Can you guess this breed? And that's a wrap on our dog breed quiz. How many correct answers did you get? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, if you have any suggestions for future quizzes or topics you'd like to see, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for playing along, and until next time, keep wagging those tails and spreading the puppy love. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.